The 2026 Suzuki SV7GX represents a bold evolution of Suzuki's legendary SV lineup. Known for blending everyday usability with sporty performance, the SV series has always attracted riders who want excitement without sacrificing comfort. With the SV7GX, Suzuki steps into a more aggressive and premium direction,
aiming to deliver a middleweight motorcycle that feels modern,
powerful and refined while staying true to its roots, engine and performance. The SV7GX lies a refined V-twin-inspired power plant, tuned for strong mid-range torque and smooth top-end performance. The engine delivers a responsive throttle feel, making city riding effortless while still offering thrilling acceleration on open roads. Power delivery remains linear and controlled, allowing riders to confidently explore the engine's full potential. Design philosophy and road presence. The design of the 2026 SV7GX is sharp, muscular, and purposeful. Sculpted fuel tanks, angular body panels, and a compact tail section give the bike a strong street fighter stance. Every line feels intentional, enhancing both aerodynamics and visual aggression. LED lighting all around adds a futuristic touch, making the SV7GX instantly recognizable day or night. Transmission and riding dynamics. The 6-speed gearbox on the SV7GX is smooth and precise, designed for both relaxed cruising and aggressive riding. Gear shifts feel crisp, while the clutch action remains light and forgiving. Whether navigating traffic or attacking twisty roads, the bike responds quickly to rider inputs, creating a confident and engaging riding experience. Frame, balance, and handling. Suzuki has engineered the SV7GX around a lightweight, yet rigid frame that prioritizes balance and control. The chassis provides excellent stability at high speeds, while remaining agile in corners. This balance allows the bike to feel planted on highways and playful on winding roads, appealing to both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. Suspension setup and ride comfort. The suspension system on the 2026 SV7GX has been tuned for versatility. Front forks absorb bumps smoothly, while the rear suspension keeps the bike stable under acceleration. This setup ensures comfort on daily commutes without compromising sporty performance. Even on uneven roads, the SV7GX maintains composure and rider confidence. Braking performance and safety. Braking on the SV7GX feels strong and predictable. Disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, while advanced ABS enhances safety during sudden braking situations. The braking system is well balanced, offering precise control without being overly aggressive, making it suitable for a wide range of riding conditions. Electronics and rider assistance. The 2026 SV7GX introduces modern electronics that enhance both safety and enjoyment. Multiple riding modes allow riders to adjust performance characteristics based on conditions. Traction control ensures grip during hard acceleration, while ride-by-wire throttle technology improves response and efficiency. Instrument cluster and controls. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear and detailed information at a glance. Speed, gear position, fuel levels, ride modes, and trip data are displayed in a clean layout. Handlebar controls are intuitive, allowing riders to adjust settings without distraction, keeping focus on the road ahead. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Suzuki has carefully designed the SV7GX to offer a comfortable, yet sporty riding position. The seat height feels approachable, while the handlebar placement reduces strain on the wrists and shoulders. This balance makes the bike suitable for long rides as well as short urban trips. Exhaust note and engine sound. The exhaust system on the SV7GX delivers a deep and refined sound. It provides a satisfying growl during acceleration without becoming overwhelming. The sound character enhances the riding experience, reinforcing the bike's sporty identity while remaining practical for daily use. Fuel efficiency and practical use. Despite its performance capabilities, the SV7GX remains fuel efficient. Suzuki's engine tuning and lightweight construction help maximize mileage, making the bike economical for daily commuting. A generous fuel tank capacity further extends riding range, reducing frequent fuel stops. Daily commuting and urban riding. In city environments, the SV7GX feels agile and manageable. Its compact dimensions allow easy lane navigation, while smooth throttle response makes stop-and-go traffic less tiring. The bike's reliability and comfort make it a dependable daily companion. Highway stability and long-distance riding. On highways, the SV7GX maintains impressive stability. The engine cruises comfortably at higher speeds, and wind management is effective for a naked-style motorcycle. Long-distance rides feel less fatiguing thanks to the bike's balanced ergonomics and smooth power delivery. Build quality and durability. Suzuki's attention to build quality is evident throughout the SV7GX. High-quality materials, precise fit and finish, and durable components ensure long-term reliability. The bike is designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its performance and appearance over time. Ownership experience and maintenance. Maintenance for the SV7GX is expected to remain affordable, with accessible service intervals and wide availability of parts. Suzuki's reputation for reliability adds confidence, making ownership stress-free for both new and experienced riders. Market position and rider appeal. The 2026 Suzuki SV7GX positions itself as a versatile, middleweight motorcycle that balances performance, comfort, and technology. It appeals to riders seeking a sporty yet practical bike that can handle daily rides, weekend fun, and long journeys with equal ease. Final verdict: a modern middleweight icon. The 2026 Suzuki SV7GX stands as a strong statement in the middleweight motorcycle segment. It combines